Let's unbox this premium quality stainless steel cookware today. A very warm welcome to the channel. I'm Yummy Cash. Alright, so I got this cooking pot set from Amazon, and I must say I am super excited to share with you my experience using this pot. So it's an induction compatible 7 pieces stainless steel cookware set, and it is suitable for all types of cookers, dishwashers, oven. It is safe to use these pots everywhere. Alright, the box contains one saucepan with a glass lid, and the diameter is about 20 centimeters, which can contain about 2.7 liters of water. One thing that caught my attention with this pot is the inside of the pot. It is super beautiful. It is not too heavy, it is not too light. It is suitable for every home. Also, this is one frying pan, which the diameter is about 20 centimeters and can contain 1.2 liters of water. Now look at the inside. Now the next one is the frying pan with a glass lid, and the diameter is about 24 centimeters, which also can contain 1.8 liters of water. The last pot in is the milk pot with a glass lid. The diameter of it is 16 centimeters and can also contain 1.3 liters of water. In this video, I'm not going to be only looking at the unboxing aspect, but also we will be cooking with the pot to see whether it gets burns or not, and also tell you my genuine review about this pot. So I put a little bit of oil in the pot, added a bit of blended onions, gingers, and some garlics, and also pepper. I then added some tomatoes. I've already blended it and leave it on for some time. Make sure to be checking it from time to time. So I'm basically making some contour stew with the pot, and now I'm adding in my seasoned shrimps. Give it a stir, and off camera I added my beaten eggs. Now I'm adding some cooked contour. Leave it on fire for some time, and look at the under. In fact, look at the bottom of the pot. It was not burnt at all. I was not too sure of it, so I had to cook rice again with the pot. Let me give you my genuine review about this pot. It is super perfect for every home. It is non-stick pot, trust me, and also it cooks your food perfectly without you using enough or a lot of oil. It also gives your food a different taste. You know what I mean? It makes your food super delicious because it doesn't get burned, and also you use a little amount of oil to cook your food. Alright, the rice is well cooked now, and I'm dishing my salt. Now look at the bottom of the pot. It hardly burns. Grab yourself one. I will leave a link of it down in the description, and trust me, you are not going to regret getting yourself this set of pots, and it's super affordable. You can afford it and enjoy cooking your food at your respective homes. I hope you find this video helpful. Till I come your way again, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, do not forget to think Yummy Cash. Once again, the link to buy this set of pots is down in the description. Go grab yourself one. I love you all. Cheers.